Hi there, my name is Rich Groff from RG Performance Development. I'm here with Nick Lequay of Mortgage Wellness Group. We are ready to share another tip for you this week. And this week I'm just going to kind of put you in the spot there, Nick, because here's the thing. Say you had a brand new mortgage person coming in, sitting down and saying, okay, Nick, give me the clues to success.
Yep.
You know, you've been there, you know what it's like.
Yeah,
you did
certainly.
Skyrocket right to the top almost immediately. Can you share some tips on what it's going to take for people to really get in the game?
Absolutely. It was a long road, but I can tell you the number one is be here. So, you know, typically I always tell our new agents, and you know, one of the keys to my success was start before everyone gets up and finish when everyone's still eating dinner. So it's one of those things. You have to be here. You have to surround yourself with education. You have to surround yourself with the experts, and ensure that you're completely invested in this as a business.
Bingo. So when it comes to timing, that's being available, pick up that phone and go.
Yeah.
Right.
So, you know, as a new agent, just getting started, you have to be available to your clients. You have to develop your own client process to ensure that, you know, not only are you available, but you know, you're giving what they want as well, of course, right? So again, be here, start early, finish late, surround yourself with education, and ensure you give your clients the absolute best service possible. It'll pay back tenfold.
Excellent. So where did you get your education from? Where would you point people to?
Yeah, absolutely. So there's the basic courses that you know the provincial associations offer, so CAMP and IMBA. In addition to that, there's a number of coaches like yourself. There's a lot of education out there, blogs, magazines, articles, forums. Those are the sort of things that you need to surround yourself with.
Right. And if they're really working with the right brokerage, because I know you folks do this, you're actually training every moment of the time.
That's it.
You have a course that you're taking them through. You
Yep.
also have the weekly sessions and stuff like that.
That's right.
So the education is probably the most important component of
The
this,
education is the foundation of it.
Right.
You know, a very specific and custom designed mentoring program is going to sort of what's going to catapult you to the next level. Then, of course, you need to stay involved. So those forums and blogs and education pieces, those are sort of the three ingredients to success, so to speak.
Excellent stuff. So if you're brand new and you're starting off in the mortgage business and you're wondering what you need to do, you got to dig in, get some hard work going on. Education is extremely important, and if you can get affiliated with the right corporation or the right brokerage, you're on target, and that's what it's going to take. This has been Nick Lequay from Mortgage Wellness Group and Rich Groff from RG Performance Development, and we are making success simple if you're a mortgage broker, so we wish you well.
Hey guys, I got an email the other day from a friend who is considering a career in the mortgage industry. Now he asked me what it's like and if I have any tips for him, so after I spoke with him I thought it'd be a cool idea to do a video on what it's like for a mortgage broker and give a few tips out. I know for some that it can be fun, exciting and rewarding, but for others it can be difficult, particularly when they don't know a lot of people in the industry. My first tip is to accept that it can be stressful, but it is rewarding. Beginning life as a mortgage broker can be pretty tough, but there is definitely a light at the end of the tunnel. You have long nights and the initial rewards are only small, but when you get the approval from the bank, it makes it all worthwhile. If you want a fast-paced job and enjoy interaction with people, if you like helping people achieve their dreams, then this is a great industry for you. My second tip would be to try and get some good support around you. Just like any industry, for new brokers it can feel like there's so much to learn in a little amount of time. Now I suggest getting a mentor, follow them and learn from them. Having someone who you can bounce ideas from is a huge advantage. My third tip would be to continuously network. All brokers know how important it is to network. Now don't just network for business, network to know people. In other words, show a genuine interest in the people that you deal with. Buying a home is one of the biggest expenses that someone will have, and you are the first point of contact. Ensure you have their best interests at heart, and this will shine through. My fourth tip is to make a plan. Make a plan and stick to it. Set yourself daily targets the night before so you know exactly what you need to do each day. The sooner you create the plan, the sooner you will achieve its intended outcomes. Don't wait until tomorrow. There is no better time than right now. I hope this has helped anyone considering a career in this industry. It is a rewarding industry if you put the hard work in. Thank you guys. I will see you on my next video.
Hi, my name's Darren Shaw and I'm an independent whole-of-market mortgage advisor, and today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of obtaining independent mortgage advice. Now, the common and quite often costly mistake that clients make is searching on an internet service provider for the cheapest deal on the market. Now, actually, that is quite often a costly mistake because they'll waste time and money shopping around only to find out that the said lender might not even accept their needs and circumstances. So after they've done that the first time, they go back to another cheaper deal and then they repeat the same step only to find out again that they don't meet their circumstances. Now, this is okay shopping around on the internet for car and home insurance because most people actually qualify for any given policy. But because mortgages are so different with daily changes in legislation and criteria, it's almost impossible to do this yourself. So what you need to do is speak to an independent financial advisor like myself who instinctively knows all the different lenders' criteria, needs and circumstances so that they can match you up with any given deal. And this will save you time, money and effort in the long run.